Giving his testimony behind the screen, the witness said he was in July 2021 assigned the duty of taking Nnamdi Kanu's statement following a letter from the Attorney General of the Federation requesting that the IPOB leader be investigated for alleged terrorism. Led in evidence by prosecuting lawyer Adeboyega Omolo, BBB said besides being the leader of the proscribed IPOB, Kanu is the founder of the Eastern Security Network ESN, the armed wing of IPOB. The witness said Kanu also operated an illegal radio station which broadcast on frequencies 102.1 FM and 88.0 FM. The witness said he played some of the broadcasts made by the defendant on radio station Radio Biafra, including where he called for the attack of police officers and made other inciting comments. Kanu admitted the voice was his, but to tender this piece of evidence along with the letter of the AGF as exhibit in the trial was objected by Kanu's lawyer, Kanu Agabi SAN, as he had no prior knowledge of their existence. Agabi said it was part of the right of the defendant to be given copies of all documents and materials that the prosecution planned to rely on in prosecuting the case. Awomolo said he was ready to do so. In a ruling, Justice James Omotosho held that the defense was entitled to all the documents and materials that the prosecution planned to rely on. In another aspect, the judge instructed that only 16 out of the 26 lawyers listed will be recognized in court. This followed a bit of confusion about legal representation, where a certain Charles Ude claimed to be a member of Kanu's legal team. Kanu and his legal team denied him outright. Similarly, the court has barred the sister-in-law of the defendant, Favour Kanu, from attending 3 successive court proceedings after she admitted to doing a live stream while the judge was seated, a content she posted online.
He started his testimony after the introductory. The prosecution realized that they couldn't go on because the documents they wanted to rely on were not served on the defense. And indeed, the court doesn't even have copy. So the court agreed to their suggested adjournment for tomorrow so that the documents will be served on the defense. And even as at upon the service, what will happen tomorrow is just for the examination in chief of PW to continue. And then we will take our time, look at documents, and then commence our cross-examination of EW2.
The matter has been adjourned to May 7th for continuation of the examination in chief of the second prosecution witness. Godfrey Eshemage, Arise News.